The Massachusetts Fire Marshal's Office requires all homes built before 1975 to install combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarms on every level, including the basement. These alarms must be voice-activated and have a 10-year battery life. Battery-powered units are also acceptable, provided they meet specific standards and are replaced regularly. Recently, there have been challenges with carbon monoxide detectors, including shortages and price increases. The high demand for carbon monoxide detectors has led to difficulties in finding and purchasing reliable units. Some carbon monoxide detectors have been prone to false alarms, which can be frustrating and may lead to complacency. Currently, there is no uniform standard for the sound of a carbon monoxide alarm, which can lead to confusion when distinguishing it from other alarms. Homeowners should check with their local fire department or building inspector to determine the specific requirements for carbon monoxide detectors in their area. Many authorities recommend using voice-activated carbon monoxide detectors because they clearly announce the type of alarm, reducing confusion. Battery-powered units are an acceptable alternative to hardwired alarms, but they should meet the manufacturer's specifications and be replaced regularly. Carbon monoxide detectors should be placed in strategic locations throughout the home, including near bedrooms, hallways, and areas where fuel-burning appliances are used. Carbon monoxide detectors should be tested regularly and their batteries replaced according to the manufacturer's instructions. Educating homeowners and tenants about the importance of carbon monoxide detectors, their proper installation, and maintenance is crucial. When choosing a carbon monoxide detector, firstly, look for units that meet the latest standards, such as Underwriters Laboratories 2034 or Underwriters Laboratories 217. Secondly, consider voice-activated models for clear alarm announcements. Thirdly, choose a unit with a long battery life, around 8 to 10 years, to minimize maintenance. Finally, purchase from reputable manufacturers with good customer service. Focus on ensuring the units you use are up to date, properly installed and maintained for maximum safety. Regarding placement, install carbon monoxide detectors on every level of a home, including basements. Place detectors near sleeping areas to ensure occupants are alerted while resting. Avoid placing detectors in areas where they might be blocked by furniture or curtains. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper placement and installation. Regular testing is crucial, so test carbon monoxide detectors monthly to ensure they are functioning correctly. Replace batteries immediately when the detector indicates a low battery. Consider using detectors with a 10-year sealed battery to reduce maintenance requirements. When it comes to maintenance, dust or vacuum detectors regularly to prevent dust buildup from interfering with their functionality. Replace detectors according to the manufacturer's recommendations, typically every 5 to 10 years. Keep records of installation dates and battery replacement dates for each detector. Familiarize yourself with the sounds, if applicable, of your carbon monoxide detector and smoke alarm. Ensure that everyone in the household knows the difference between the carbon monoxide alarm and smoke alarm sounds. In the event of an alarm, follow established safety procedures such as evacuating the premises and calling emergency services. Regarding proper notification, a carbon monoxide detector should produce a loud, distinct alarm when carbon monoxide is detected. The alarm should be easily audible throughout the home, even when occupants are sleeping. Some detectors also include a visual warning, such as a flashing light to alert individuals with hearing impairments. Different types of carbon monoxide detectors are available, including those with digital displays that show the level of carbon monoxide detected in the air. Some detectors can be integrated with smart home systems to provide remote monitoring and alerts. Consider the specific needs and preferences of your household when choosing a carbon monoxide detector. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless gas that can be deadly, so it's important to take carbon monoxide safety seriously. Ensure that all fuel-burning appliances, such as furnaces, water heaters, and stoves, are properly maintained and ventilated. Never use a gas-powered generator or charcoal grill indoors, as they can produce dangerous levels of carbon monoxide. If you suspect a carbon monoxide leak, evacuate the premises immediately and call emergency services. Carbon monoxide poisoning can cause flu-like symptoms such as headache, dizziness, and nausea. Seek medical attention immediately if you experience these symptoms and suspect carbon monoxide exposure. Education is key to preventing carbon monoxide poisoning, so teach children and other family members about the dangers of carbon monoxide and how to respond to an alarm. Install carbon monoxide detectors in all homes, apartments, and other dwellings where fuel-burning appliances are used. Regularly inspect and maintain carbon monoxide detectors to ensure they are functioning properly. By taking these precautions, you can protect yourself and your loved ones from the dangers of carbon monoxide poisoning. Be sure to keep up with local and state regulations to follow the carbon monoxide and smoke detector rules. New construction, renovations, and even existing buildings can be subject to laws pertaining to carbon monoxide detection. It is important to check to see what is required whether you are in Massachusetts, New Hampshire, or elsewhere. Be aware that real estate transactions may trigger specific requirements for carbon monoxide detectors. Before selling or renting a property, ensure that all carbon monoxide detectors are in compliance with local regulations. Consult with a qualified electrician or fire safety professional to ensure proper installation and compliance. By staying informed and following best practices, you can ensure that your home is protected from the dangers of carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide detectors have a limited lifespan and should be replaced every 5 to 10 years, depending on the manufacturer's recommendations. Check the expiration date on your carbon monoxide detectors and replace them as needed. Consider upgrading to newer models with advanced features, such as voice alerts and smart home integration. Properly dispose of all carbon monoxide detectors according to local regulations. Do not throw them in the trash, as they may contain hazardous materials. By staying proactive and informed, you can ensure that your carbon monoxide detectors are always functioning properly and protecting your home and family. Carbon monoxide detectors are an essential part of home safety. Prioritize carbon monoxide safety by installing, maintaining, and testing your detectors regularly. By following these tips, you can create a safe and healthy home environment for yourself and your loved ones.